Step 9. Cleaning the interior. When using this product, we recommend that you refer to Section 8 of the Safety Data Sheet for required personal protection. Now that the vehicle's exterior is cleaned and protected, we'll turn our attention to the interior. Before we start, prepare a container with interior cleaner to allow detail brushes to soak for use in the upcoming process. Cutting the neck of a spray bottle is a convenient way to store. First, detrash the vehicle, then remove the floor mats and push the front seats to their rearmost position. Using an air hose, blow all debris from under the seats into the floorboard, pushing it from the rear to the front. Next, blow the console, dash, and seats to force debris into the floorboard. Thoroughly vacuum the interior surfaces including floor, seats, and console. Then clean all interior rubber, plastic, and vinyl surfaces with interior cleaner, a high foaming concentrate that is mixed 1:8. If you manually fill, always add water first, then the product. If you have a select proportioner, choose interior cleaner with a dial and fill. Spray interior cleaner on hard interior door surfaces, not allowing it to dry or dwell longer than 2 minutes. Agitate with a do-all pad or detailing tools that have been saturated with interior cleaner. Dry the areas cleaned by blowing the excess solution into a towel with an air hose and wipe the surfaces thoroughly. Using air to dry only helps remove debris possibly missed. Remove debris from weather stripping around doors using a detailing brush. Apply interior cleaner to a towel and hand clean the tops of the doors, door jambs, and weather stripping. Spot clean the visors and headliner, making sure not to saturate the headliner, which can loosen its adhesive, causing it to sag. For console areas, apply interior cleaner using a saturated detail brush and scrubbing the area. Wipe the area dry once clean. To clean carpet floor mats, vacuum thoroughly and spray with interior cleaner, then scrub with an upholstery brush. Allow to dwell for no more than 2 minutes, then clean by wrapping a cloth around the upholstery brush and scrubbing. To clean vinyl floor mats, vacuum thoroughly and spray with interior cleaner, then scrub with a stiff bristle brush. Allow to dwell no more than 2 minutes and rinse thoroughly with a low-pressure hose.